What do you want, Ralph?
I know it's none of my business why you're afraid of a cure, but for what it's worth, I'm a meta. And I'm all for it. And after talking with most of those people out there, so are some of them.
Oh, yeah, I can see that. I just don't understand why.
Might save their lives.
It's not that simple for me.
Why not?
Because just like Norvok didn't ask for his snake, Katie didn't ask for me. So if one day she wakes up scared of being a metahuman and decides to take that cure, her powers don't just disappear. I do too. That's what I'm really afraid of. Because if I'm gone, who's gonna protect her?
It's witching hour.
I get why you're scared, but you need to know that when DeVoe made you disappear, all Caitlin talked about was getting you back. So maybe as much as you want to protect her, Caitlin wants to protect you too.
I went after 3 of them tonight and they weren't there. Did you tip them off?
No, I swear. After what that Spencer woman did to me with her metatech, I want them all gone.
Then what happened?
The DA. She figured out you're targeting everyone on the list I gave you. A contact of mine with the feds says they're being picked up and put into protective custody. Tonight.
Boys and girls, your ride's here.
What the hell?
Everybody get back! Thank you, Flash, for bringing them all to me.